Hello everyone. So in the last video we have seen the full code logic of this thing, right? So how this brightness can be increased using the analog write, and also without without writing number of coding line, that means without writing much lines or much number of codings, how you can make it very short and sweet. Okay. And how you can take the advantage of the void loop iteration to make this scenario happen. That means for every iteration we are increasing the analog value by 5. Okay, no loops, anything, we have nothing. That means we have the void loop and we have some if condition that simply switches the fade amount value from positive to negative, and from negative to positive depending on the whatever this limit value, right? Either it is higher limit or lower limit, right? So I'm not getting into that again and again because we have seen it enough times up to now in the previous videos. So if you don't I'm sorry guys, excuse me. So if you don't understand any part of this, okay, I want you to go and watch my previous videos and come back here in the proper flow in the same playlist. Okay, so now it is time for us to check whether this code is working or not. Okay, I am pretty sure that if you upload it, okay, so I'm just verifying it. If you upload the code, okay, if you upload the code to your Arduino with a 330 ohm resistor with an LED that is connected to pin number 7, right, you will see the brightness will very nice way slowly increase and decrease. You will obviously see this. Okay, there's no question on that. Okay, so I think there was a previous video in this channel as well, in my channel as well, with that scenario. Okay, so just let's not worry about that. So compiling is done. So for the moment what I will do is I will take the simulation environment Tinkercad and I will upload the code and see whether the change can be visible in the simulation environment. I am going to give you a declaration that this may not work in the simulation environment because why? That environment may not be perfect, right? That may give us some issues, right? Because that means what I'm trying to say is, okay, this is the simulation environment with the circuit. This blinking, that means this brightness increasing and decreasing, may not be properly visible in the simulation environment because this is a simulation environment, right? So this may not suitably work with this, but with your real Arduino and LED this will work perfect. Okay, so you by yourself you can try this out, guys. Okay, so that's fine. Anyway, I will try with the simulation environment and see what is going to happen, right? So I will paste my code sorry guys, here. So we are good, right? LED pin number 7, then 7, everything is fine, right? So just to show you okay. My LED is connected to pin number 7, right? So everything is fine, ground, and the resistance value is 330 ohm. Okay, excuse me guys. Okay, so I will start the simulation and see what happens. Okay, so somehow I don't know whether we can see the increasing and decreasing properly. I don't know whether this is same as or same or different from the blink on or off. I don't know because this is just some simulation environment. So we are not sure whether this is working perfect. Okay, so what I want to tell you is just do it with your real Arduino. Okay, and let me know in the comments whether this works perfect or not. Okay, so for the sake of this environment, I don't know, maybe it looks like dimming to me, but I had to run the digital normal blink also and see that. Okay, so what happens? So maybe I can try that out. So what I will do is I will simply I have already copied the code, so I don't care. Maybe I will try to do a small blink quickly. Sorry guys. So what is the code? Digital write. LED high, and let's have a very small delay. Digital write. I'm sorry. Okay. A little low, and we will have a small delay. And probably I will have a delay of let's say how much. Let's give a big delay 500 and see what happens. And also I will take this here and I will add this 500 again here. Okay, so and see whether this switching off scenario happens. Okay, how? So and we will see this switch on and off. Okay, there's a whether there's a difference between this on and off and off and on. I mean this on and off, whether this is different from that the previous off. You understand? Because previous I am expecting to switch off slowly and this should happen suddenly, right? Because there is no properly decreasing, because this is high, this is low, this is 5 voltage and this is 0 voltage, sudden off. Okay, and the previous one's analog write was slow off, dimming. Okay, slowly dimming and going off. We don't know, we will see. It mostly depends on the simulation environment. Let's see anyway. Okay, but I am not sure whether there is a different or not. Okay, so we cannot come to a decision anyway. I will have this okay, I'm sorry, I will take my code and I will repaste it. Okay guys, so this is the code that we are supposed to test. So I will start the simulation. Okay, so it's look like something has happened, but we don't know. Still I don't know. Okay, so maybe we can zoom it. Still I don't know whether the LED brightness is going slowly or coming, LED is dimming and going off. That means whether the brightness is slowly increasing and coming to the maximum and slowly going down and going to the zero. We don't know. I am not clearly see, but with your Arduino you can see. So what I ask you guys is just try the same code. You can just see and type the code, right, in your whatever we call in your we are what you call this Arduino editor, and simply upload it to the Arduino and see with an LED whether this is working fine or not. And please let me know in the comments whether this is working or not, and I know it will work anyway. Okay, so guys, I will stop this video here. I will catch you up in the next video. Until then, stay safe and consider subscribing us, guys.